Have you been suffering from hair fall, hair thinning, stunted growth, alopecia, dandruff, hair breakage, hair loss? This is a simple but effective remedy to improve the overall health of your hair. Rosemary improves blood circulation and provides necessary nutrients for your hair. Rosemary nourishes the scalp and prevents hair loss. It also treats scalp infection. Rosemary contains properties such as antimicrobial property, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. The benefit of using rosemary water: it improves blood circulation to the scalp, reduces dandruff, reduces scalp inflammation, enhances new growth, balances the scalp pH. We are going to measure out a reasonable amount of rosemary. The quantity solely depends on you. I went ahead to blend it a bit, but this is optional. You can either use the fresh or the dry rosemary. I blended it a bit, but you can as well skip this process because you can achieve the same results even without blending it. After that, I pour it into my jar, added water, hot water to be precise. Then I allow it to steep for 15 to 20 minutes. You can boil this, or you can as well infuse it inside hot water. As you can see the rosemary is floating now, but it is going to settle underneath once it is ready. So we are going to leave it. So this is what it looks like after 20 minutes. You can notice the color of the rosemary has changed to brown and the rosemary has settled underneath. So you know your rosemary is ready when you have observed this. I went ahead to strain it using my strainer, and this is what it looks like. This is exactly what you'll be aiming at. Note, this rosemary can be darker if left for a longer period of time. Also, if you want the most benefits out of this tea, you do not wash it out. I repeat, do not wash it out. Use it as a leave-in if you want the most benefit out of this. This will improve the overall health of your hair. Your hair will become thicker. Your hair will become longer if used correctly. So I'll be showing you how I apply this to my hair. I saturate my hair using this tea. I do this 3 times in a week, majorly focusing on my scalp. If you have dandruff or if you're having any scalp issue, use rosemary tea for your hair occasionally and you're going to see a great improvement. Use this tea for 2 weeks and you're going to notice a great difference in your hair. Some of you might want to ask, how long do we preserve this? If you have a refrigerator, this can stay up to 2 to 3 weeks in your refrigerator without going bad. But if you do not have a refrigerator, please do not let this thing sit more than 3 days because it is going to ferment and we do not want to cause any other further issue for ourselves. So always make a new batch each time it is up to 3 days. Throw away, discard the remaining ones and then make a new one. For those who would like to know how often they should use it in their hair, you should use this 3 times a week. 3 times a week. You should use this 3 times a week. And after applying it, make sure you seal it in with something, maybe grease, butter, or anything to avoid it escaping. You do not want your work or your hard work to be in vain by just spraying your hair with this thing and leaving it like that. It's obviously going to dry up and you will not see any results. So in order to trap this into your hair, always seal it in with a butter. Rosemary do not have any offensive smell, for me if you ask me. But for those who cannot stand DIYs, who cannot tolerate the little smell it gives, you can as well add it to your leave-in conditioner, and you can also add it to your shampoo as well. If you are on any kind of protective style, be it braid, be it cornrow, be it mini twist, be it with extension, you can use this tea for your hair refreshment. You can use it to refresh your braid each time you want to moisturize. Instead of using water, I advise you to use rosemary water for added benefits. Trust me, this rosemary water is as potent as minoxidil, which is the most effective hair treatment for hair regrowth. While spraying, make sure you focus on the scalp. You can also use it for the length of your hair, but let's focus on our scalp because that is where we grow out new hair. All you need to do is to make sure the tips are moisturized so they won't dry and break out. So let's focus on the scalp so we can grow out new hair. All said and done, click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.